Welcome back to the Genesis mission, and Happy New Year to all. As promised, today I'm here to present you with the 8th of 92 biotech stocks that are showing powerful signs of a potential breakout. But before we move forward, as usual, I do need to reiterate that this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal trade ideas and strongly encourage that you do your own research. But before we move on to today's pick, let's take another look at a past example to visualize the opportunities that we are hunting for. Today, I'd like to show you Anywhere Real Estate, ticker symbol HOUS. Of course, this is not a biotech stock, but the chart paints a familiar pattern. The one we keep presenting here is the type of monthly chart breaking a long-term trend line. As you can see, as soon as HOUS broke that red trend line back in June 2025, it surged 4x over the next 7 months. As usual, this does not mean that every stock that breaks a trend line will do the same. But this is a pattern that historically increases the probability of higher prices ahead. With that out of the way, here is today's pick. CLYM Bio, ticker symbol CLYM. So what does CLYM actually do? In simple terms, they are developing treatments for immune-mediated diseases. Basically, conditions where your own immune system attacks your body, like lupus or certain kidney disease. Their lead drug works by targeting and removing specific bad B cells that cause these attacks, effectively hitting the reset button on the immune system. The company is heading into a massive year. They just announced that 2026 will be data-rich, with critical results expected from their phase 2 kidney trial and their lupus program in the second half of the year. Moving on to CLYM's chart. While the stock has already jumped over 100% from where I'd initially considered buying, I still think this one looks prime at these levels. My research suggests we are still in the beginning stages of what could be a significant trend. As you can see, the multi-year downtrend line finally broke last month. Since then, the stock consolidated below the $2.50 resistance level and finally broke through it on December 12, 2025 with massive volume. Now, what caused this surge though? It wasn't random. That volume spike happened when RA Capital, one of the smartest biotech funds in the world, filed reports showing they were aggressively buying millions of dollars worth of the stock. When a top-tier fund loads up like that, it tells me the price momentum is likely to continue. While it is already up a lot, I still feel buying under $6 today is a decent entry. If you don't want to risk too much, then a daily close below $3.50 could be a good place to exit until you build enough conviction to go back in again. However, if this trend holds, my technical targets are $12 within the next 12 months and potentially $24 within the next 24 months. With that said, thank you for your time. I'm actually about to go pre-record 2 new videos for 2 new stocks that I will be talking about next week. So hopefully the price that we recorded on today, they won't change too much, or maybe we might even get a better price when I upload those videos next week. But please remember to like and subscribe so you can be notified when I put out those videos. And thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next chart.